Miss Neville's math students. Today is our tutorial with multiplying decimals. And we're going to make sure that we've made a copy or copied our cheat sheet that Miss Neville put in Schoology, Remind, or your email into our math notebook. These will be the notes that we'll take today. So you want to make sure you have that done. Let's go ahead and look at our first example here. At the top of our page, we should have written multiplying decimals. And this is our first example that we're going to do together. It's the same one that's on your cheat sheet. So let's look at it. Miss Neville has it written horizontally right now. Just like with adding and subtracting decimals, we're going to write it vertically without our decimals. And we're going to multiply like normal. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry my 2. 5 times 7 is 35. Plus 2 is 37. Carry my 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 3 is 18. Carry my 1. 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 1 is 6. We want to remember we're not done. We have to also multiply by the other 5. So we put this 0 here, and I put a strike through it to hold my place there. And now let's do our same math again. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry my 2. 5 times 7 is 35. Plus 2 is 37. Carry my 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 3 is 18. Carry my 1. 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 1 is 6. So when I add those numbers together, and we can't really see it, when I add those numbers together, our sum will be 75,625. Now, I have to put my decimals back. So let's go back and look at the original two numbers that we were multiplying. We had 2 decimal places here. With 13.75. We move that decimal 2 places. I'm going to write a 2 here and circle it. And with 5.5, we had 1 decimal place. Circle it. And so this tells us how many decimal places to move with our final number by adding those 2 decimal places together. What do I mean by that? 13.75, my decimal moved 2 places. It was in 2 places. For 5.5, my decimal moved in 1 place. And so altogether, our product, our decimal has to move 3 places. 2 decimal places plus 1 decimal place is 3 decimal places. So this is where my decimal would originally be. 1, 2, 3. And so my product here would be 75 and 625 thousandths. I hope this helps you. See you guys in class.